Have you ever wondered why Power BI is considered better than Excel? It's a question that has intrigued many, especially those who have been using Excel for years and are comfortable with its features. However, the shift from Excel to Power BI is not just a trend, but a strategic move for many businesses worldwide. Power BI, as an advanced business analytics tool, offers several unique features that you may not find in Excel. One of the standout features is its ability to handle large datasets. Power BI can comfortably manage millions of rows of data, whereas Excel starts to falter when the data exceeds 100,000 rows. This alone can be a game changer for many businesses that deal with massive amounts of data on a daily basis. Another feature that sets Power BI apart is its real-time dashboard updates. In a world where data is constantly changing, having the ability to visualize and analyze real-time data is crucial. Excel, while offering data visualization capabilities, doesn't provide real-time updates, which can be a significant limitation for businesses that need up-to-the-minute information. Power BI also excels in its data visualization capabilities. It offers interactive visualizations with self-service business intelligence capabilities, where users can create reports and dashboards by themselves, without having to depend on information technology staff or database administrators. Excel, on the other hand, requires a higher level of expertise to create complex charts and graphs. One more notable feature of Power BI is its integration with other Microsoft products as well as with a broad range of third-party apps. This makes it possible to pull data from diverse sources, offering a more comprehensive view of the business. Excel, while it does have integration capabilities, is limited compared to Power BI. Lastly, Power BI provides a higher level of security and compliance than Excel. It offers row-level security, which means you can control who sees what at a very granular level. This is something Excel does not provide. In summary, Power BI outshines Excel in several ways. It handles large datasets more efficiently, offers real-time dashboard updates, provides superior data visualization capabilities, integrates better with other software, and provides a higher level of security and compliance. While Excel has its strengths and is an excellent tool for certain tasks, when it comes to complex data analysis and business intelligence, Power BI stands as the superior choice.